You've seen those baby showers on Pinterest, right? The ones where everything looks like it's been styled by a professional team with unlimited time, unlimited money, and zero toddlers underfoot. Yeah, this is not that. This is for the mums, aunties, sisters, best friends, the people who want a baby shower that's adorable and meaningful, but also realistic. A shower that won't have you maxing out your credit card, staying up until 2 a.m. hot gluing things, or crying into a balloon arch with craft scissors in your hand. Today I'm going to walk you through the cutest baby bear-themed baby shower ideas that are genuinely doable, from decor and food to games, favors, and the little details that make it feel special without making it stressful. So first, what even is a baby bear baby shower? It's exactly what it sounds like. A celebration built around teddy bears, bear cub vibes, and that cozy woodland aesthetic. Think warm tones, soft textures, natural elements like wood and greenery, and cute phrases like Mama Bear, Papa Bear, or Our Little Cub. The best part is this theme is super flexible. It's gender neutral, it works indoors or outdoors, and it gives you loads of room for personal touches without forcing you into one specific look. And you do not need a woodland cabin or a Pinterest board with 500 pins to pull it off. It's more about the feeling. Cozy, sweet, warm, simple. Let's start with the easiest way to make this theme look pulled together with minimal effort. Your color scheme. If you pick the right colors, everything else becomes easier because even simple decorations look intentional. For a baby bear theme, stick to soft earth tones and neutrals. Beige, tan, cream, forest green, and touches of brown or gold. If you want a more traditional baby shower feel, you can absolutely add blush pink or powder blue, but the key is keeping the palette calm and cozy so it doesn't feel like a random mix of decorations. When you keep your colors tight, the room looks styled even if you didn't style anything. Next, balloons and backdrops. And let me just say this clearly. You do not need a massive balloon arch to have a cute shower, but balloon moments are an easy win because they photograph well and instantly create a party feeling. Here are some realistic options. A simple banner that says, "Welcome Little Bear." Bear paw prints leading up to the entrance, even just a few taped on the floor. It's cute. It takes 5 minutes and people love it. A neutral tone balloon cluster or arch, nothing crazy, with mini teddy bears clipped in here and there. And if you want a phrase backdrop, these work well. "We can't bear to wait." Or, "Baby bear is almost here." That's it. One backdrop moment, and suddenly your shower looks like you planned it, even if you did it during nap time. Now let's talk table decor. This is where people tend to overcomplicate. The goal is not to decorate every corner of the room. The goal is to create 1 or 2 anchor areas that feel special. For your table, think simple and layered. Wooden slabs as trays or placemats. Mason jars with baby's breath, mini sunflowers or greenery. Tiny teddy bear figurines scattered around. Simple cups or napkins that say "Baby Bear," optional but cute. And if you don't want custom anything, don't do custom anything. A neutral tablecloth, plus a few teddy touches is enough. Now let's talk invites and printables. This is where you can save so much time. Keep it simple. There are tons of baby bear templates you can buy and personalize quickly. Or, if you already use Canva, you can grab a template, type in your details, and send digital invites. Done. No printing, no postage, no extra admin. And if you do use games or activity cards, make sure they match the theme. Tiny details like bear paws in the corner or little woodland trees make things feel cohesive without much effort. Okay, food. Here's the truth. Nobody is coming to a baby shower expecting a 5-course meal. What people actually love is snacky, comforting, easy-to-grab food. And it's way easier for you, too. So here are some sweet treats that are on theme but still doable. Bear-shaped cookies. 1 cookie cutter and you're sorted. Honey cupcakes, or mini cakes with honey signs. Gummy bears in jars or paper cones. Caramel popcorn in bear-themed bags. Bear-wise sweet popcorn. And for savory bites, mini sandwiches or sliders. Veggie cups with hummus. A grazing board with cheeses, crackers, fruit, nuts, keep it rustic. And for drinks, a Mama Bear mocktail. Sparkling apple juice with frozen berries. Tea and coffee bar with cute mugs or stirrers. If you feel fancy, little bear-themed drink toppers. The key is, choose things you can assemble quickly and put out in a way that looks abundant. Abundance without effort is the goal. Now games. Let's be honest. Baby shower games can be a bit much. So we're not doing cringe. We're doing easy games that people actually enjoy. Here are 5 that work well. Guess the baby food, blind tasting with little jars of puree. It's silly, quick, and people laugh. What's in your purse? Mini scavenger hunt for random items. Baby bear word scramble, quick, printable, themed. Who knows mama best? Always a hit because it's personal and funny. And diaper messages, guess right sweet, or ridiculous messages on nappies for those 2 a.m. changes. And if you want something meaningful that doesn't require performance, do a wishes for baby station. Guess fill out cards. It becomes a keepsake, and it doesn't force anyone to be loud or competitive. Now favors. Please, for the love of sanity, skip plastic favors that people throw away. If you want favors, make them useful, edible, or relaxing. Here are some cute ones. Tiny honey jars with tags that say, "Thanks for being here." Mini bath bombs wrapped in muslin. Bear-shaped soaps. Homemade cookies in theme bags. Seed packets for planting love. These feel thoughtful without creating clutter. Now favors. Please, for the love of sanity, skip plastic favors that people throw away. If you want favors, make them useful, edible, or relaxing. Here are some cute ones. Tiny honey jars with tags that say, "Thanks for being here." Mini bath bombs wrapped in muslin. Bear-shaped soaps. Homemade cookies in theme bags. Seed packets for planting love. These feel thoughtful without creating clutter. Now final touches, and these are the things that make the day smoother. First, designate someone for photos, because you won't remember. You'll be hosting. Choose a friend and give them that job. Second, create a cozy corner for the mum-to-be. A nice chair, a cushion, water bottle, a little place for her to sit and breathe. Third, prep a cleanup crew, even if it's just 2 people who know ahead of time that they're staying 10 minutes after to help. Fourth, print out a checklist. Even simple showers need structure. And fifth, leave room for quiet. Not every guest wants to play games or mingle nonstop. A chill zone makes the whole event feel calmer. Now let's answer a few quick questions people always ask about this theme. What do you wear to a baby bear themed shower? Comfy and cute. Florals, earth tones, a cozy dress. The mum-to-be can wear a mama bear shirt or something soft and neutral. And if she wants to be playful, sure, barriers can be adorable, but not required. Is this theme gender neutral? Yes, and that's why it's so popular. It works for boys, girls, twins, or surprises. Do you need a party planner? Absolutely not. With a simple plan and 1 helpful friend, you can pull off something beautiful. Can you do it virtually? Yes. Send digital invites. Play games on Zoom. Mail little favor boxes if you want. And ask guests to wear earth tones. It still works. So here's the big takeaway. A baby bear baby shower doesn't need to be elaborate to feel special. You just need a cozy color palette, a simple backdrop moment, snacky food, 1 or 2 easy games, and thoughtful little touches. No fuss, no fluff, just love, laughter, and a whole lot of bear hugs. If you want the full written guide with all the ideas in one place, it's linked below. And if you're planning one, tell me in the comments. What vibe are you going for? Cozy woodland? Modern neutral? Galentine style? I'd love to hear.